In this short video, what I will do is I will go through the Blackboard and how to access the course material. So hopefully this will clarify any confusion if there is any. I'll show you how everything is mapped out on the Blackboard. So hopefully once things kicks in, you would be able to locate everything that you need. Now, I'm not sure, but I think once you click on the fall 2023 concepts of chemistry, you would go to the announcement page, which is, I believe, the default view once you access the course. Now, considering this is a hybrid course, half of it is done virtually, the lecture portion. You should, and I do expect everybody to log at least a few times a week into Blackboard and look if there is any updates or there is any announcements. Now, I use the announcement feature to convey all messages to my students. So that would be any posted homeworks, for example, any change in any due dates or exams, if there's any school closure, which I doubt it for the fall. But this kind of announcement. So it is kind of important for you to stay up to date of what's going on in the class through the announcement feature. So please log in into your Blackboard a few times a week and check the announcements to make sure that you're not missing anything. If you go to course content, not discussion board, not just yet. If you go to course content, that's how everything is lined up to access the lecture material. So if you click on the syllabus, for instance, so that's where you access the syllabus and also the active chemistry instructions. So if you click on this one, this is going to show you, take you step by step on how to log in and how to set up an active chemistry account. The thing that you might have noticed that when I clicked on the active chemistry, the PDF looked kind of funky, and that's because I'm using a tablet. I think it would look even worse if you use your phone, either Android or iPhone. So I suggest that when you are accessing Blackboard, to make sure that you are not missing any of the content, please try to use either a laptop or using a tablet. So hopefully you can have the full experience. So if I click back here, I'm gonna click on Unit 2. This is how all the unit folder would typically look like. You'll have Unit 2 here, so this is the slides for the lecture. You'll have practice problems, and you have the key solutions to the practice problems. So once you answer the practice problems, you can compare your answers to the key solutions. So hopefully you can learn from the mistakes that you have done if you've committed any, and you can learn. So ideally not to repeat those mistakes in the future. And then down here, this is the lecture. It's a YouTube video. You can just click on this one. Of course, now ads is going to run, but then the video for the lecture, it's going to I'll hit cancel. Course content, and I'm going to go back to Unit 2, and that's how you access the lecture video. Okay. And I think everything is going to look pretty much the same. If you have any questions on how to access some of the materials, if you're having problems downloading any of the files, please reach out to me immediately. Try not to sit on it for a long time. It is available to you when it's needed. Okay, and that is the video for the Blackboard.